In today's video, we're going to see how you can set up your Verizon E3200 Wi-Fi extender. So this is the official guide for Verizon, which they've posted themselves, and they give you two options to connect this Wi-Fi extender. One is wired installation, and the other is wireless pairing. So we're going to go through both of these. So first of all, if you want to do wired installation, what you'll do is you can see this example right here. You will connect your Verizon router to a coax outlet. So you must have a coax outlet as well. And but if it's already in use, you'll have to use the coax splitter and it would be in the box where you've got your Wi-Fi extender. So just make sure you take out the items you have in your box and you see what you have. Then after that, you will connect that Wi-Fi extender to a coax outlet. And that is ideally in an area with spotty Wi-Fi coverage. So you just need to make sure that the Wi-Fi coverage is in that way. You're seeing this right here. This is basically how you can set it up. And you'll have this coax splitter and every other item with this Wi-Fi extender in the box that you buy it. From there, you will connect the power cord to the router and extender, then to an electrical outlet. So the router you have, you'll basically connect the power cords to that router that you have since before and extender as well, and then just connect it to an electrical outlet, of course, so it starts turning on and starts working. But after that, you need to wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, the light on the extender should turn solid white. If it's white, that means the connection will be completed and your wire installation will be successful. And also, if your home is wired for Ethernet, you can basically just follow the same steps as above. You'll just use an Ethernet cable instead of a coax cable. Now, what you can do for wireless pairing is before setting up the Wi-Fi extender, just make sure your internet gateway or router you use to connect is working properly. So just make sure your internet signals are coming properly. Then you will plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. So just straight ahead, go to your power outlet, just connect your Wi-Fi extender to it. It should be next to the internet gateway or router, and you will wait for its light to turn solid yellow. When it's solid yellow, it will start working. After that, you will press and hold the pair button on the Wi-Fi extender for 3 seconds. So on the Wi-Fi extender, you see the two options for the pair button, and you will hold it and press it for around 3 seconds. Then you will press the pair button on the router for the internet gateway. Do that within 2 minutes. So just make sure you press both of these buttons and both devices lights will blink blue. That means that it started to pair. After that, once you see a solid white or blinking yellow light, it's paired. And after 10 minutes, the light on the extender should turn solid white. So same as with the wired, after 10 minutes, it should turn solid white. And after that, the connection would be completed. And then you will unplug the Wi-Fi extender. You will move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area and then plug it in. So basically, just unplug Wi-Fi extender, move it between your internet gateway and weak Wi-Fi coverage area. And then if you see a fast blinking yellow light, you'll just move it a bit further away from the internet gateway. And if you see a slow blinking yellow light, just move it a bit closer. Just make sure that you adjust it in a way where you see a solid white light. That means you have it in the right spot and your setup is complete. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.